Do you see this beautiful VR stand right here? This is the Asterion Aura. It's one of the unsung heroes of the VR world. With its RGB light, this video isn't sponsored by them or anything, but this is actually the stand I've used on my desk forever. I have a couple of these, and I just like that the lighting fits in the scene. It looks good. And then it just keeps your VR set somewhere that's not huge and takes up a ton of space. They sent me a surprise package, and I have no idea what's in here, but let's find out together. Definitely gonna need the unboxing knife because this one only came from the US and not like a package we got from Korea recently that was absolutely wrecked when it arrived. This one is still all taped together. You can tell I haven't unboxed anything in a while. I feel like I'm kind of out of practice here. Oh gosh. Today might be the day I actually cut myself horribly. Or not. We've got what looks to be another Aura. Stickers, stickers, and stickers. I like stickers. I know that Lee from Asterion has been getting into printing stickers and kind of learning about them. That's actually the way this is a laser etched design on this Aura, but some of the newer Auras, they've been using like window cling style stickers, which make it easily customizable, much cheaper than paying for laser etching, and you can swap it out as often as you want. So they've just sent me a whole assortment as they've been experimenting with what sticker printing is like, a bunch of their first trials and batches, and some different sizes, which is really cool. So now we have extra JayBratt stickers. So these are the permanent vinyl holographic stickers. I'm very curious to see what these look like. Oh, and they're all big. Oh, that's nice. I hope they didn't cut these things by hand. That would be such a pain in the butt. It is a trick to get stickers cut just right, I know. You can see the edges are a little rough here. And then last we have laptop stickers. Laptop stickers feel like more of your traditional stickers, what you're probably used to. People usually call them like die cut stickers. They feel like plastic on top. Man, the quality on them is really good though. Like up close, how good the pictures look in there. That's cool. Makes me curious what's in here. VR Stars, another brand you can check out on Instagram, something coming up through them as well. A little ode to Asterion here. I've got to say, Asterion is one of the companies that from the very earliest days of the channel has completely been in our corner. One of the first companies I think that ever sent us anything. They've sent us all these stands anytime we wanted to do a giveaway. They were there for us. Developed quite a good relationship with Lee, the founder of it. Oh, okay. Hang on, let me plug this in. Let me get some light going through this so you can see it in its glory before I show it off. Now I know that he'd been interested in seeing how our newer, or at least our main logo, because this was kind of one that we made for the etching, see how it would actually translate over, which I thought it was going to be too detailed. I didn't think there was any way it was going to look right. It actually, even with the detail, turned out pretty good. My eyes look a little demon-like, I think, but I think overall, that looks pretty good. That's cool. That might actually become the one that sits here now instead of the other one. So as I mentioned, this one here is like a window cling style sticker on the back, so it can be taken off and swapped, where this one from before was laser etched. I feel like this looks just as good, if not even better, because the sparkliness of it's really cool. The laser etching costs a ton. I know I got one specially made for Soulfox when we were meeting up. I think I paid 40 or 50 bucks just to have it etched. That's not including the cost of buying the stand. I think this is a really cool way they're going. There's some more stuff from Asterion coming soon that I know about, stuff I can't quite talk about yet, but a little preview of something. We might be seeing them a little bit more in the VR realm, but I wanna say a huge thank you to them for all their support all along with the channel, for all of this, which is really cool to see. And I see definitely a future if they're gonna go this route with VR Stars and making stickers. Obviously the cut of them will need to be a little bit more uniform. I really like the holographic ones. I think these are really cool, and I would love to start purchasing these from them to put in the giveaway packages, because I think they look a lot better than the ones I usually have. But hey, I wanna say thank you to everyone who's ever supported the channel. If you've ever clicked on a video, you subscribed, checked us out on Instagram or TikTok, anywhere else we are, it seriously means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you again to Asterion, and I will see you in another reality.